Good morning everyone. Welcome you all. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, working with Paint, Microsoft Paint. We already started the Paint topic. In previous chapter we learned how to draw, we learned different tools. Okay, so we will learn more in this chapter. So first of all, let's revise how to open Microsoft Paint. So student, how to open Microsoft Paint? For this, in your desktop you need to click on the start menu. Okay, as you click on the start menu, you need to click on the all programs. As you click on the all program, then this type of menu will appear, and here you need to click on the accessories option. As you click on the accessories option, these all accessories or utilities will appear in front of you. Okay, so in these accessories you need to just click on the paint option. Okay, here is the paint option. As you click on the paint option, this paint window will appear in front of you. Okay, so these are all tools present in home tab. This is your paint button where you can save your file, you can open an existing file, you can open a new file, okay, and you can print your drawing, whatever you have done in your painting program. Okay, so this is all. First of all, let's draw something. Okay, so using oval tool, I am making this drawing. Okay, a circle, two eyes. Okay, I am making nose of a Mickey Mouse, just like a Mickey Mouse mouth is I am making. Okay, again I will use only that. Okay, and then we will color it. Okay, we can have his mouth like this. Okay, okay, and you can have ears like this. Okay, so this also you can make at your home if you have computer in your home. Okay, so student, it's time to color. Our face of Mickey Mouse is almost done. Okay, so I'm making it in yellow, a dark yellow color. Okay, so we need to take a bucket, fill with color. Okay, this is the fill with color option. We need to choose it from tools group. Okay, so I'm just making it yellow color. Okay, like this, and black color eyes like this, and the nose is also black. Okay, and your lips are of red color. Okay, lips are of red color. So a small picture is created. Okay, now what we need to do? This picture is created. Now we need to learn how to use select tool. Okay, the select tool is used to select any part of picture that we want to change. For example, I want to change this part. Okay, so we can select it with the help of select tool. Draw. Okay, so click on the rectangular selection tool. It is present. Where is the selection tool present? Selection tool is present here. We need to click on it. As we click on it, okay, and now click and hold the left mouse button, and then drag the mouse outer boundary of the object. For example, I want to choose this air. Okay, so I will do like this. See, this part is now selected. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. ओके, अब ये सिलेक्ट हो चुका है. नाउ आई जस्ट रिलीज्ड इट. ओके, so this is how we can select any area of a object or drawing. Clear to everyone? We will learn later on what we will do using these select tool. First of all, we will learn how to select. So this is how we can select with the help of rectangular selection tool. Okay, that we can click from here. Now next is how to select with the help of selection tool, free form selection tool. Okay, how to use free form selection tool. So free form selection tool is used to select the irregular shape. Okay, used to select the irregular shape. Okay, for selecting irregular shape, what we need to do, we need to select the, again we need to go to selection tool, click on this downward arrow in the select tool. Okay, and here choose the free form selection. Okay, free form selection. And now which object you want to, for example I want to select the nose. So where I need to do, I need to just click, just drag the mouse like this on the boundary, and now this part is selected. Okay, this part is selected. Wait a minute, we need to do it again, just like this. And see, nose is out from the picture. Okay, and you can again place it here. You can again place it here. Clear to everyone? And you can remove it. How to use, how to remove anything? Free from selection. For example, I want to remove this air from mouse. So see, this air part will be removed from the picture. Okay, and it can be adjusted again to the picture. See, so this is how you can remove the part of the object with the help of free form selection tool, and you can again make it, and you can move it to other object. Okay, clear to everyone? This is the use of free form selection tool. Okay, either I want to remove this air, so what I need to do, again we need to select the free form selection tool. I need to remove this part only, the middle part only. See, it is removed. And you want to make it back, so again adjust it back. Okay, so it will be adjusted. Clear to everyone? Okay, so this is the use of free form selection tool. And with the help of select tool, in the rectangular shape only you can remove. Okay, you can remove in a rectangular shape. Okay, so here the perfection will not come. Perfection can come from the free selection tool, because you can select the irregular picture also from there. And from the select tool, you can select on a particular boundary only in a rectangular shape. Okay, like this. You can remove it, and then you can again you can adjust it to anywhere. Here you want to adjust, you can adjust anywhere. Okay. Clear? Okay, so this is the use of selection tool and free from selection tool. Now let's draw a picture of car. Okay, now we'll draw a car. First, then we will learn how to move a car from one position to another position. So let's first of all save this picture first. For saving this picture, we need to click on the pen button, click on the save option. As we click on the save option, it will go to take us to picture library. We can save it here also, or we can save it wherever we want. So I am saving it as class 3rd, first picture. Okay, So it is saved. Okay, now I want to open a new page. So I just open a new page from the Paint program and I clicked on the new option. Either I can click on the Control plus N keys together. This is your keyboard. Here you need to press on Control and N keys together. Okay, so here I will click Control and N keys together. A new page will come. Okay, so this is the new page will come with the help of Control and N keys together. Okay, so here we need to make a car. First of all, I want to draw a car. So how to draw? Let's see. Okay, I'm just using a rectangle for it. For example, this type of car I'm making, and another picture. I need a polygon tool now, because polygon tool will help me to draw anything. Okay, so see, a polygon tool will help me to draw anything. Okay, so this is a little bit looking like a car. Okay, just I'm using a yellow color for it, just like this. Okay, and two tires we need to make. Wait a minute, Control plus Z for undo the text. Okay, and these are your tires I'm making. Okay, two tires, and inside the tire. Okay, I told you that oval tool is very helpful. Okay, so oval tool is very helpful. Seriously, it is very helpful. Okay, so you can draw anything from the oval tool. It is helpful while doing the drawing. Okay, so let's color the car. Okay, so I'm making just a small rectangle here. For these are all. Okay, for opening and whatever things it have. Okay, so these are the things. These are just looking like a car. Okay, just like in your book. Let's use the green color, or I want a more dark green color, so I won't use this. Okay, so fill with color option. So see, the color is filled. I want a red color to be filled here, and the blue color to be in this. Sorry. Okay, in this option. Okay, black color should be there. Okay, and the tires will also be black. Okay, and the inner part of there is grey. Okay, so this is your small toy car. Okay, that I made. Now what we need to do? Moving an object. So our car is created. Now select the drawing or any part of drawing with the help of select tool. Now I am selecting the car. So I just clicked on the select tool. Okay, this is a select tool, and now I just selected the car. This car is selected. Okay. Now a rectangle with dash line will appear around the picture as shown figure. Click the cut option in the clipboard group on the home tab. Now what we need to do, home tab के clipboard group में हमें cut option click करना है. As I click on the cut option, it is cut. And आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि सिलेक्टेड पिक्चर क्या हो चुकी है, रिमूव हो चुकी है. ओके, इट इज़ रिमूव्ड. ओके, इट इज़ रिमूव्ड. ओके, अगर आप क्लिपबोर्ड देखोगे, ओके, इट इज़ पेस्टेड इन क्लिपबोर्ड ऑप्शन. ओके, सो इट इज़ पेस्टेड इन क्लिपबोर्ड. नाउ वी विल पेस्ट इट समवेयर एल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम पेस्टिंग हेयर. सो दिस कार इज पेस्टेड हेयर. फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. It is moved from here to here. Okay, this car is from here to here. It is pasted here. You can paste it here also. Okay, it is pasted here also. So you can make multiple copy. Okay, and you can move. For moving a picture from one place to another place, you need to cut and then paste. And for making more copies, you need to copy. Click on the copy option. This is your copy option. For making a copy, first of all you need to select and then click on the copy option, and then here just click on the paste. Okay, one more copy is made of it. Okay, so it is clear how to copy. Copying means making more copies, and cut means cutting it from its position and moving it to somewhere else. See, again I am showing you cut option. In cut option, the same thing will be replaced from there and it will be pasted somewhere else. Okay, it will be pasted somewhere else. And in copy option, if I am copying it, I will select one picture and then click on the copy. See, copy में click करते ही ये picture remove नहीं हुई and it will be pasted here. Okay, clear? Okay, and when we are cutting picture, so what is happening in cutting picture? That picture will be removed from that place and it will be moved to another place. It will be moved to another place. Okay, for example, I need to cut all these pictures. Okay, see, I am just selecting selection tool and removing all these pictures. I am moving all these pictures and click on the cut option. So this page is now empty and I am taking a new page from new option and for example say car removed from this picture. So I am writing the name of the file is car removed. Okay, and now this is a new picture. Here I am pasting it. So this is new page of your paint. Now it is pasted here. So let me show you that painting car removed. Okay, car removed. So are you able to see? Here, from here it is removed. If I need to make it come back, I can paste it here also. So all you have learned how to remove things and how to copy. Copy means making duplicate and removing. Moving means shifting it from one place to another place. So student, you have learned. I am again removing. Now I am making two pictures. In one picture is this. Okay, so I am just copying this picture. Copy. Sorry. The selection tool. I am using selection tool and I am just copying this. You can also copy the object or cut the object with the help of, you can right click on the object. First select the object and right click on the object, then option will also come and you can also have from there. Okay, so click on the copy option. It is copied and I am just selecting a new slide. Okay, so here I am pasting it. So one picture is pasted here. Now I am making one more picture. Okay, for example I am making one rectangular picture, something like this. Okay, so I am just coloring it. Okay, just any picture I am making. Okay, a simple picture I am making with the help of shape. Okay, so this is a picture. Two pictures are there. By one picture I will make a copy and by other picture I will move it. another picture I will move it. Okay, I will move another picture. Okay, so see, just I'm clicking on the, I'm just selecting it, I'm making a copy of this. So I have selected it and clicked on the copy option and then choose the new file. Okay, choose the new file, new page is selected. Okay, new page is inserted. Now I pasted it here. So this car is pasted here. So if you will see our previous picture, previous file, it is file. Okay, you can see new. You can see the car is there also, and car is in the new file also, or car is in the original file also. But if I will cut this picture, okay, I am just cutting this picture from here, just clicking on the cut option. The part that is selected is cutted from here, and now I am pasting it to somewhere else in the other file. Okay, I am just pasting in a new file. Okay, paste. See, this picture is pasted here. Okay, and you can see in the original file it is named by file, it will not display. See, it is your original file from where I have moved the object, it is not displayed here. So I hope cutting and copying is clear to everyone. In our next class we will learn about the different drawing shapes and flipping of the picture and zooming of the picture. So thank you everyone, keep watching the video.